Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, no make nothing tap you from beg Jesus for help you sort out your problem. And no make nobody run you or try to run you. And tell you say, this is not for you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, you cannot do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 15 from verse 21 to verse 28. After Jesus left the so, him go in the Tyre and Sidon area. Out of the blue, one Canaanite woman where did live in that area there come a ball out. Lord, David pick me. Take pity upon me. Do. My daughter full up a demon. Bad, sir. Jesus never say a word. Then him follow them, come beg him say, run her away no, cause she just a follow back away and a make one bag of noise. Jesus say, God only send me to the sheep them from Israel were lost. But the woman come kneel down in front of Jesus and say, Lord, help me. Do. Jesus say, it not right if you take the picnic them food, give dog. Lord, that a true she answer back. But even the dog them get the crumbs we drop off of them master table. When Jesus hear that, him say, why, woman, you really trust in me. Whatever you want to happen, gotta go make it happen. Same time, our daughter get better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.